What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can transfer money from the UK to Ghana using the Taptap Send app without any fees. So let's get started. Also, before I get started, if you don't have a Taptap Send account already, once you create your account, you can use the promo code from the description below to get extra $15, euros or pounds on your first transfer when using Taptap Send. And now let's go ahead and continue with the tutorial. So once you open up your Taptap Send account, you will be on your homepage right here. So from your homepage, just go ahead and tap on the country at the top right here, and we would need to select Ghana. So let's go ahead and find Ghana. And there it is right here. So I will just tap on Ghana, and now it's selected. So to transfer money from the UK to Ghana, you would just need to input the amount of funds that you would like to transfer. Now, as you can see, for me, it says euros because I've set my EU address. But if you input your UK address, you will have pounds as your default currency. But nevertheless, the process is still the same. So I will input, let's say, £5 that I want to transfer to Ghana. Then if you want to get some extra funds on your transfer, you can input a promo code here. You will have add a promo code section, so you can use the promo code from the description to get extra £15 on the transfer. Now, once you input everything, just go ahead and tap on next. Then you will need to choose or add a recipient, so just go ahead and tap on that. Now, depending on your recipient's delivery method, you would need to select one of these. So let's say that we just want to transfer it directly to a bank account in Ghana. I will just then select the first option, which is bank account. Then you would need to select a bank, so just go ahead and tap on that. And let's say that they have the Access Bank account. And then you would just need to input the bank account number. Once you input the bank account number, you can go ahead and tap on check details. Then you would need to input a full name of the recipient. Now, after you inputted all those requested details, you can go ahead and tap on next. Now, sometimes Taptap Send will also ask you for some additional checks like a date of birth. So just go ahead and input the date of birth of the person that you're sending money to. So this is just a year of birth. Now, just go ahead and tap on OK. And there we go. Now we're on the final transfer screen, and here you can also add a promo code. So again, if you use the promo code from the description, you'll get extra £15, dollars or euros, depending on your currency, on this transfer to Ghana. So don't miss that opportunity to get some extra funds. Now on this screen, you would just need to select a payment source or a payment method. So if you scroll down, you will be able to see payment methods, and if I tap on change, I can just select any payment source that I wish, that being a debit card, bank account, or Google Pay. Now I have it set to Google Pay because it's the easiest and it doesn't have any fees associated, so I recommend the same to you if you want to avoid any fees. Now, once you selected the payment method, you can just go ahead and tap on Pay with Google Pay or your selected payment method, and the transfer will be made. So essentially, that's how you can transfer money from the UK to Ghana using Taptap Send without any fees. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.